I'm Jim here at Hubert Honda in Wilson. This is a 2018 CRV. It's that real pretty Basque red. This is the LX trim line. They have, of course, changed the body style on this vehicle. Even the base model, the LX, has the nice alloy rims. This vehicle has got plenty of room, plenty of storage space. If you look back here in the back, you can see you can get a lot of luggage. Whoops. And you can also fold the back seats down and put anything of any length in there. It also has the backup camera, which is standard. Has the rear wiper. These vehicles, like I said, they'll seat 3 back here in the back very comfortably. And also, this car comes equipped with the dual temperature control. Also has the rear defroster and the Bluetooth. This car is a great vehicle for the money. It rides good, easy to get in and out of. Come to Hubert Vester, we'll take it for a test drive. You'll love it, you'll go home with it, and I look forward to seeing you.